Welcome to my channel, guys. Hey, we're gonna do a lot of videos right here on Blast in the Grass car show down in Hagerman, Idaho. This was back in let's see, September 16th 2023, and 329 entries in this little car show, the most I think they've ever had. It was pretty much packed. Lots of hot rods sitting around on the outside of the parking lot even that didn't get in. So enjoy these next few videos. Thanks very much. Have fun. Enjoy. Well, guys, I asked you when I first started putting these videos on here, do you want me to put on a whole hour's worth, or do you want me to put on 10 minutes worth at a time? A couple of you guys said, let's just do short ones. So here's a short one. We're going to try to put these on here, like I said, 10 minutes or real close to that. One thing about the camera, I can at least see what I'm taking a picture of. I mean, a phone. So I'm going to run over here to the Jeep. It's not too far away. And see what we can do about this GoPro. We'll come back and start right here. Okay, guys, this is where we ended the last clip. Wasn't the GoPro overheating, it ran out of battery. So we're going to finish it with this, and then I got to go pick Vickie up, bring her down here. We'll get more GoPro batteries. We may do it live here. Hopefully you guys have seen that already. Oh my. Probably gonna run out of battery in this because we're almost done. We got this row and one more to go. Wow. Then we'll try to do some live ones. My cousins are right over here on the. Oh, this is my neighbor Robert right here. It's a pretty cool truck. He's a good old boy. He helped me out a lot. He brought me a whole pile of wood. Nice looking. Work in progress.
Same color.
Don't touch it. Just stand by it.
Mr. Grandpa, where's your phone? Okay.
Beautiful.
No, she'll be down. Just getting her out with it.
A little closer on this camera. I wonder if I could back her up a bit. Let's see if it'll back up. There we go. That might be a better. Getting crowded. So I'm trying to get through here before the crowds really get in the way. Yeah, we're getting close to the end of this. We're about halfway through. That's pretty color right there. Yeah, I can. Yeah, like I said, I can see colors now. 57 wagon. 57 wagon. Where did I see that? That's a 57 hardtop. I'm looking ahead of you guys. My father had one of them, just like that. That color. I figured one battery in the GoPro would do it, but it did not. But I'm only about a mile from the house, so I'll get all these first, and then we'll turn around and go get more batteries for the GoPro if we need it.
See you later.
That's a nice one there too. Okay, let's go look at this gasser, then we're going to come down this aisle. Wow, I bet that turns the tires over. Wonder what kind of mileage he gets. What do you think?
Not very darn good.
But he only goes a quarter mile at a time, so you know. All right. Seems to be a lot of blowers and turbos nowadays. Well, even nitrous is on these, a lot of these cars, you've noticed. So the music has stopped finally, so I can actually talk and you can hear me. Oh, a lot of cars. Okay, this is the last row, I think. I kind of like those hubcaps. I was thinking about putting something like that on the old motorhome. I think that'd look cool. This one here. Yeah. The guy I was talking to over there, that's Teddy. We used to call him Teddy Corvetti back when he was, we were in high school. This is his work in progress. I mean, he'd been working on this decades. We'll have to we'll get him over here and have him explain it. But I mean, it's frame. It built the frame, everything. He had that motor sitting probably in 3 houses, different garages. He's sold and bought the houses and moved on. He's had it for decades. I don't know, maybe 20 years. But he's got it together. He's the one that fell out of the tree. So he ain't been doing much work on it. Surprises me he can get into the damn thing. But man, to see something like this that you've seen put together from the frame. I was in the welding shop when they were building the frame on this. And that was, what was that? That had to be in the late 90s when they were building the frame. 99, something like that. We'll talk to him. But that's awesome.
You guys gonna vote the same or separate?
I'm glad I ran into you guys.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll check it out.
I'm going to try to get over here, but it seems like everybody's standing in front of it. Right here, this car right here is Ralph's. Told you he had the GoPro over there. This is Ralph's car. Did all the work himself, painted it and all. Ralph. Look at the overspray. My gosh, Ralph. We're going to have to jump in there. Now this car right here. You see that pinstriping? I did that. That was my father's original pickup. And he sold it. Looks like they didn't get the hood matched up. Or I screwed up. Who knows? But now my nephew owns it. And he is frame off. Restored it. It's got all kinds of custom frames and stuff underneath it. And that's a bunch of hooligans right there. That's what that is. I'll be back. Okay. Is this in yours, buddy? Are they all yours, buddy?
They all came from him.
My kids and grandkids.
You built them though, didn't you? Or helped at least? Yeah? Yeah.
Yeah, they did too.
Well, this is Buddy Comfort, Donna Comfort. You know Blaine, you seen him a while ago. And Michelle? Michelle. Yeah, who? Steven. Yeah, and Chania. Yeah, she used to be a singer, Chania Wayne. Then you got Ralph over there, and Ralph's grandson. You met him earlier on the GoPro before the battery went dead.
Again?
Oh, I didn't bring another one either. And I live so far away.
Yeah, you did.
So anyway, we're gonna have a yellow one parked here, huh? Someday.
Yeah, someday.
And Ralph, I just showed him your overspray on your windshield wipers. Pure class, buddy. Pure. No, I got to go home and pick up Vickie anyway.
Okay, I got a couple extra.
Do you?
I didn't have time on my other part though.
Oh, you ran out of card?
No card, yeah.
Well, I'll bring you a card.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh, you may have more to film. I'll be back, guys. Them are all cousins there. Cousins. And Buddy, I was just talking to, he built these, and he gives one away to each one of his children And I think now he's giving one away to each one of his grandchildren when they graduate. I think that's the story. But he's got, I don't know. Let's see if he can answer that question. I bet he can. Buddy, I'm telling everybody on YouTube that you have more than 2 cars, don't you? Do you have any idea how many cars you have?
28.
28? I thought it was 70 something, but 28's 20. It may be
closer to 70 something.
Yeah, okay. See, there we go. You probably got 28 that you drive.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is granddaughter.
Yes.
Granddaughter.
No wonder I'm broke.
Yeah.
Yeah, try to insure that. Are you like, I think I got 11.
Yeah, I did. I'm thinking about taking the insurance off my pickup. I can't afford to drive it. Yeah, that guy's got a lot of cars. Nice ones, classics. We're talking in Super Sport Chevelles, El Caminos. Like I knew it was 70. I knew it wasn't no 28. Because I think somebody counted one time and he had 77 of them. And he's not rich. He's been collecting them since he was a kid. Never sold one. And he had 2 jobs. His second job, they took all the money and he'd buy a car. He'd find a good deal, he'd buy a car, set it back. So that's why he can build all these cars for his family, because not only is he a good-hearted man, but he has the cars now. And so, just a good person. I'm sure a lot of you do the same thing if you were able to. Well, we're almost down to the end here. Then I think I'm going to have to go pick up Vickie. And she just texted me. She's out of the shower now. So, another rat rod.
Cards that you buy for $5 a piece, or buy for $20.
I forget my own cousin's names, as you noticed.
Card. We will keep the other half. We'll draw that.
What is this?
3:30 and 4.
Pantera.
You do have to be present to win, and then you split the pot. So however many cards she sells will be half of the prize. The poker run will start at noon. So if you're going on the
we've
poker
seen this
run,
one at Joe Mama's car show. Remember that? We talked to this guy. Yeah. A lot of these have been to other car shows. Well, why not? We only have, we only have 2 big ones. This is one of the biggest. Joe Mama's car show, which is on here also. Go check it out. It is very big also. Now we're going to go up here while they're playing teddy bear. We're going to show you the food and everything they got going on up here, which usually they have good food. So, oh, it smells good. I ain't going to wait for Vickie. I'm getting me something. Ooh, it smells good. What do we want? I want an elephant ear. There they are. Let's go get an elephant ear. That's it, guys. I'm going to do a live. Hopefully you've seen that one already. We're going to do that from down there when they start up some of the cars. Okay, guys, this is an elephant ear made by
Miller
and the Miller's family right here. I'm having, like I said when I was walking over here and I could smell them, we're going to have an elephant ear for breakfast. That's what she does. She fries them. And what do you do? Sprinkle sugar on them later or something?
We dress them up with all the sweet toppings.
Oh boy. That's going to be yummy in the tummy. I'll probably have to save half of it for the wife. Anyway, either that or not tell her I got them.
What did you want on it?
Just throw it all on there. We'll see what it is. Budai. What's the name of that country? Yeah, I got a MJ follows me. He's a great guy. I've met him for, oh my. There goes my calories for the weekend. Oh.
It's cheat day today.
Oh, yeah, it's a cheat day for sure. Ah, it just gets better. It gets better. All right. I'm going to gnaw on that, guys. Thank you, ma'am.
Sally used to carry my books to school. Sally was a good old girl. Helped me with my homework 'cause I was a fool. Sally was a good old girl. If you wanted just a kiss or a little bitty squeeze, she was always